Sup legends, today we're going to be tackling some of the best four-wheel driving in Australia.
Right now we have just driven through Millicent and we're now at Beachport, and then up here, slightly off the map, is where we plan to go tonight in Robe. But we've just been told that you can 4B all along the beach here. Maybe even find a sneaky spot to camp on the way. Beaches here are so beautiful. The water is just this bright turquoise blue. Look at this. So lovely. Stunning, stunning, stunning beaches so far. And you can drive on them all, which is new when we've been in New South Wales and Victoria and you can barely drive on any. So that's a very exciting change to our travels, and hopefully we'll see you with a camp set up on the beach tonight. Fingers crossed for that.
Post Office Rock is out there. It is windy as all buggery. Probably can't hear much of this, but beautiful South Australian coast. Turquoise into deep, rich blue water. Big sand dunes, a couple of kids tuning it down there on some boards. The rig. And we're about to go drive on the beach. 4B time. We are letting our tyres down to 16 psi. Should be good. Need to let them down even more. We'll let them down to 14, but we'll go with 16 for now. Tyres are down. Time to get on the beach. Let's get roaring. Keep on cruising back home. See you on the beach. Yep. This place is epic. If you're down in South Australia, Beachport through towards Robe is a must-do for all Australian four-wheel drive enthusiasts. And as always, thank you for watching, legends. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next week for part 2 as we continue driving along the Limestone Coast.